Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a fade in and fade out effect in CapCut. So you're just going to select your video and you're going to select animation, and you are going to find the fade in effect like this. You can adjust the duration here as well, and if you want to add a fade out also like animation, effect, select out, and then you're going to add in a fade out animation as well and just adjust the duration. Like, you can also do it with overlays as well, so I'm just going to go back and delete them. Go back, select overlay, add overlay, select the stock videos and select the black screen, select add and add it above the video. So selecting the overlay, select splice, and I don't think you can. You can add in keyframes. Hold on, let me just select normal, and then add a keyframe here, and then at the end of the keyframe, like at the end of the video, add another keyframe. It's the diamond button here. Go to splice and put the overlay to 0. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!